Yeah.
Let's go, Manny Pacquiao. Hey,
Huh?
I'm here in the Philippines, my God. What's up, bro? Hey, big fan, bro. You're my favorite boxer of all time, man.
Favorite boxer of all time. Oh, sige, pose. Yeah. Tapos hahamunin mo ngayon ng sparring. Oh. Sige, tingnan natin. Sige, 70% ka lang. Okay. Si Manny mga 40. Oh. Oh. May suntok tong si ano si Speed Oh. Parang nakakaintindi ng boxing din oh. Oh, body lang yan, body oh. So, si Pacquiao sumusundot-sundot lang si Manny Oh, nabigyan. Lumusot 'yun. Oh. Tamo yung speed ni